Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the 1970 Pontiac Firebird, number 205 from Hot Wheels Modified, number 18 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this up. So obviously, many of you have seen the first casting laying around in stores many times. This is basically a Hot Wheels Legend Tour car that has been released as a Hot Wheel. So yeah, now it's in more of this what could I say, more of this oceanic blue. It's more of like the ocean blue, sort of something like that. It looks really good. I like the color and I like the design. I mean, like, it's less plain than the first release of the car. I mean, like, the first release was quite plain, and now that it has the design, it looks pretty great. So yeah, you can see a ton of chrome on here. Even the rims are chrome. Looks pretty awesome. Overall, it looks very nice. But you have to check the car itself. So let's take a look at the car here. So here we have the Pontiac Firebird in this oceanic blue, and as you can see, the rear wheels are bigger than the front wheels. We already know about this. Of course, they are chrome. And well, they are shaped like a star, and yeah, it has a racing number of number 70 on the side, and it says Hot Wheels there. You have some blue, dark blue, cyan, and white stripes. And is that a Goodyear logo? I think that looks like a Goodyear logo. Yeah, that is a Goodyear logo. Looks pretty good. At least they include some sponsors here. Wow, you could see that the whole engine is chrome there. Looks pretty good. Yeah, no headlights. You can definitely see right here. Yeah, and the grille, you can see it right there. Obviously, you can see it kinda looks good. Number 70 in the roof, as well as some blue stripes over there. The interior is chrome, more to chrome basically. We have some tinted windshields right there. You have some rear lights here, and wait, there's no rear lights. That's just joking with you. I just thought there was rear lights. Never mind, there is no rear lights and there is no license plate, but you can see the tiny ducktail of the car itself. Obviously, looks pretty nice. Let's take a look at the bottom of the car. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, 2021 Mattel, made in Malaysia. Overall, nice looking casting, loving the color, and it's nicer with the designs on the car. I mean, the overall decals and whatever. Yeah, looks pretty great. Nice looking car. I love the color more than any other Pontiac color that they've released so far. Looks pretty awesome. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.